Using your pencil, draw the basic shape of your coconut. The shape is kind of heart-shaped. It might be more efficient to pause the video until your drawing is all set for the next step. Now we add curvy lines on the top of our coconut. Then draw the first stem slanted to the left. Draw another stem, this time tilted to the right. We can add some bumps to our coconut drawing. Do this by adding some slanted lines just like in my drawing. Now we can add colors to our coconut drawing. We use green crayons with highlights and shadows to make this coconut look round in 3D. Be sure to visit the link below for the PDF guide. Thanks for watching.